Hello guys, welcome to my page. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make Nigeria fish rolls. If you are interested, keep watching. You will be needing 2 mackerel fish. The first step is by preparing the filling for the fish roll. You can also use sardine. The ingredients we'll be needing for the fillings are half teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of garlic, 1 small onion, 2 tablespoons of groundnut oil, half mixed red bell pepper, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 2 teaspoons of thyme, 1 seasoning cube, and a salt to taste. I'm going to go ahead and cook the fish. Place that in a pot, then add the seasonings. Add 2 cups of water, cover to cook. You don't need to add too much water because you want the water to dry up so that the fish can absorb the ingredients. Once the fish is ready, I'm going to take it off now and start deboning the fish. When deboning the fish, please, you have to be very careful and patient. Take your time to bring out the bones because mackerel fish has a lot of bones, especially if kids will be eating it. Once that is done, smash the fish with fork or potato smasher and set aside. In a hot pan, I'm going to be adding 2 spoons of oil. Then fry the onions, mix bell pepper, carrots for like 2 minutes. After 2 minutes of frying, I'm going ahead to add the smashed fish. Once I add the fish, I continue to stir fry for like 3 minutes until everything is well combined. I will be adding in a little pepper. After 3 minutes of stir frying, I'm going to take it out and let it cool down completely. For the dough, I will be needing 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 eggs, half cups of water. Add in all the dry ingredients and give it a quick mix. Next, I'm going to add the butter with clean hands. Rub that in. Break in 1 egg, mix that as well. Add water bit by bit until the dough is well formed. Once that is achieved, I will wrap it into a plastic wrap and let it rest in the fridge for about 20 minutes. I will go ahead to break and beat the egg and set aside. 20 minutes later, our dough is nice and rested. I'm going to knead it on a flat surface for about 30 seconds. I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces so I will work with them individually. Next, I will take one of the dough and roll it out flat, but not so flat that you can tear it easily or you can see through it. Once that is done, I will rub the egg wash all over the dough and then add the fish filling. At this point, the fish filling has completely cooled down. When rolling, you need to roll it tight so it doesn't open when frying. Repeat the process until you roll out all the dough. Once that is done, heat up your oil. When it has heat, add in your fish roll. Fry until it is golden brown. Repeat this frying with the rest of the dough. Place it on a paper towel for it to drain out the excess oil. Fish rolls is a very popular snack in Nigeria. Enjoy and serve with any chilled or hot drinks of your choice. If you like what you're watching, Please follow, like, share and comment to know when I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.